Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this occasion, I will explain about a topic is goodwill letter. To understand about goodwill letter, you can see my video on the next page. Keep watching and enjoy my video. Definition: letter of thanks and appreciation, letters of sympathy and condolence, letters inviting speakers at meeting and functions, accepting or refusing invitations to speak, etc. are some of goodwill letters. If you want to show appreciation or convey gratitude for a contribution made, or express thanks to loyal customers for their continued business, a goodwill letter can do the job. Goodwill letters, often some as a surprise, are greatly appreciated and are an effective way to build relationships. Be sure you keep your letter focused on the recipient, not on yourself or your company. Principles of effective goodwill letter atau prinsip-prinsip dalam pembuatan goodwill letter yang efektif. There is no fixed plan or outline for such letters. It's better for each person to write in his or her own style. There are some points which need to keep in mind while writing such letters. Dalam penulisan goodwill letter tidak ada outline yang khusus di dalamnya. Cuman dalam pembuatan ini dia atau dia laki-laki, his or her own style, atau kita sebagai penulis menulis surat itu sebagus mungkin menurut style penulisan surat kita. Tapi di samping itu ada juga beberapa poin yang harus dibutuhkan, which need to keep in mind, yang harus diterapkan di dalam penulisan kita ketika kita menulis goodwill letter. Principle of effective goodwill letter. The letter should be timed properly. A short letter makes a better impression than a long one. The words must be carefully chosen. The writer's own natural vocabulary is the best. The tone of the letter should be personal and suitable for the person who is to receive it. Jargon phrases are words in such letters and must be strictly avoided. The salutation and the complimentary clause should be suitable to the message. It's appropriate to use the reader's name in the salutation. Dalam penulisan goodwill letter, agar dia efektif, maka time-nya harus should be properly. Kemudian penulisan katanya harus diperhatikan. Kemudian surat yang pendek akan lebih baik dibandingkan surat yang lebih long. Kemudian dalam salutationnya ada kemudian complimentary clause, lebih baik menggunakan nama si penerima atau si pembaca agar lebih better. All names and details of the occasion mentioned in the letter must be correct. Clarity comes from being sure of what one wants to say, saying it directly and simply. The letter must have the power of feeling. The reader must sense that the feelings are sincere. The letter must be signed personally and not by a secretary or a PA. Courtesy requires that the letter should be well made up with neat typing, folding, and addressing. When the same message is to be sent to several persons, each one's letter must be a phrase copy. Successful goodwill letters. A goodwill letter will be successful when you answer yes to the following questions. If you are the reader, would you honestly like to receive this letter? If you were the reader, will the reader feel that you enjoy writing the letter and that you mean everything you wrote? And the last one, did you keep the spotlight on the reader? Okay, I think that's all for my explanation. Forgive me for my mistakes. Don't forget to like and subscribe my video. If you have any question for the materials, you can write your comment in comment field. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.